bibili lang kami ng salmon. Yan kasama ko, si Jake. Say hi, Jake.
Hi.
Where are you going?
Costco?
For what?
For the salmon?
What?
For the salmon.
Buy the salmon?
Yeah.
What are we going for salmon?
KWAP, Monterey, Salinas, Santa Cruz. From the Salinas Honda Studio, a proud member of DGDG. With another hour of today's hits and yesterday's favorites.
Sushi and sashimi. Dito na ang Costco. Dumating na tayo. Dito na ang Costco. Hanap tayo ng parking lot. Hanap tayo ng parking lot. What?
What is salmon at?
Over there?
Over where?
Choose the good one. Right here.
This one?
How much that?
How much?
How much?
11?
Where?
12?
Where?
This is minute times.
That's 46, man.
Oh, that's total price.
Yeah, but that's too big. May crab din dito eh. Prawn. Lobster. Crab. King crab. You get like 30 something.
That. Here.
How much?
36.
How much?
36 and 36 and 9 cents.
Okay.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what? Get it? Hi guys. Galing kami ni Jake sa Costco, bumili kami ng salmon. Ito yung salmon. It's already cut. Okay? And then, to make sushi, you should have wasabi. Here's wasabi.
Okay.
Alright? And here's the avocado. Soy sauce, Japanese soy sauce. Dill. It's nice. Nice dill. I have sliced carrots. Kung meron sana akong celery and pepino, mas maganda. We have also seaweed salad. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Okay? At saka meron pala yung yuzu para sa paggawa ng rice. Ito, stick rice. Lagyan ni siya dyan. Tapos yung holmaan para sa sushi nandito. Alright? So, Okay guys, pakita ko siya how to make sushi, okay? Alright, put your hands in the water to not sticky, and put the rice in the seaweeds. Yeah, just like that. Kayang-kaya ninyong gayahin to. Okay? Just like that. Then you need to put the rest all over. Yeah. Like that. Yes. This one, if you can, kung gusto nyo gagawin, if you want to make your own house, it's very easy. Yeah. But, hindi ko lang pinakita how to make sticky rice. Pero easy. Kasi ang sticky rice, mayroong vinegar, mayroong sugar, mayroong ouzo, yung tinatawag sa Japanese ouzo. Pero kung nasa Pilipinas ako, pwede gagawin ko limoncito lang. Pwede na. Kasi yung ouzo, parang lemon eh. Kita ko sa picture, parang lemon. Maasim. Okay? Take a look. Just like that. Right? Now, you put slice of salmon. Put salmons just like that. Just like that. Now, there's a salmon, right? So now, I put slice of carrots. Just carrots, just put here. Just like that. And the last one, avocado. Just do like that. And be careful your hands, because the knife is, when you're making this one, be careful because the knife is too sharp, it's dangerous, you see. You always be safe. Okay, like that, right? Clean your hands. Dry your hands with paper towel, okay? And then roll it, okay? When you roll it, be gentle, okay? Like that. Like that, fresh side by side. You can see that? And then turn another one. Freeze again. Push it. Freeze again. Freeze again, you see? Look at that. Alright. So, now, you need to cut. Okay? Yung knife naman, lagyan mo ng water para hindi didikit. Okay? Just like that. Ensure your knife is really, really sharp. Okay? There we go. You got it? Okay. Now, ilagay ko isa one by one. Here, 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 here. In one slice, I can make it 6. You see that? Okay. This is another one that I didn't show you, this one. Sticky rice with salmon, but it's okay. Next time I will show you. I will show you everything. Hi. ito, mag-dinner na kami. Nagagawa na kami na sushi yung binila namin ni Chick doon sa Costco. Ito na yan. See? Oh, it's California roll sushi! And here is sushi rice! And here is the sashimi! You know these leaves? This is dill. Right? Look like paho. Paho in small mango in Philippines. And there is wasabi. Look like wasabi, spicy one. There is a seaweed salad. Alright? There you go. And this is sparkling cider. This is for all. This is not wine. It's for the old people, even kids. Okay, we start now. Guys, let us pray. Okay. Yeah. Yan, Christine. Yes. I like that, okay? Anyway, this is our house, huh? Even since using the cup is fine. Because this is our house.
Yeah.
This is Christine and this is Jake, okay? So now, we'll start eating. Sorry, si Mami Leia is working today. So, well, si Mami cannot eat, right?
No.
This one? Not much, right?
No.
Yeah, you see something, camera. Come on. See something.
Our mom is very artsy.
How about you, Christine?
She didn't like it.
Huh?
She didn't like it.
No, she like it by the veggie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
veggie.
didn't make any veggies.
I didn't do veggie, I forgot.
She doesn't like
She likes the veggie
She
one
like
without salmon, right?
Yeah, without meat. Yeah.
She doesn't like
Okay, let's eat. Let's eat.
Will you eat this with your sushi? I don't know.
This one? No, just a salad. You eat
Oh,
together.
okay.
Together with it. That's a little bit spicy anyway. Sashimi, is it? Sashimi. Mm. Mm. Love the seaweed salad.
We're those kids, you know, from the
Mm.
They can really sweet.
Haram.
And live.
Yo, Jake. What color do you prefer? What color?
My favorite color? Black.
Black, white. So, Christine, I know Christine is blue. Because Christine,
Green, red.
red?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, looks nice.
Nice.
Green is a Philippine color, but what?
No. Like your jacket, guys. But it's not really. Oh, it's original.
Good quality.
How much is it?
I think 1,000.
Isa?
Yeah.
Wow.
Big. Yun yung mom.
I wanna buy my own.
Na yung sa store, sa Salinas.
Oh, at the bilet? Yung sa passport mo?
No.
Eh, mag-toast tayo dito kasi konti lang ha.
Yeah, I want cider.
Go alcohol.
It's not ako.
It's alcohol, guys.
Hindi ako cider.
He's saying legal, huh? That's what I've been doing. Hey, don't throw it.
Apple cider.
Post for
Si Mami, tatawa yung sabi ko. Mami, mahal
watching and like and subscribe.
You look at that.
I am.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yo, Christine.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you
To
for
Ate Sisley.
Salamat, gracias, and thank you for watching.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.